Welcome back to Byrider Madison.
Oh, hey there. Didn't see ya. Guess what? It's time for another cleaning video with yours truly, Captain Clean. First, we got a little spray for you there. We're still spraying down the surfaces, keeping everything clean, keeping everything fantastic, okay? As it says right there on the board, clean is the way to be. Look at this mask. It's helping me out, and I'm breathing just fine. That sanitizer is really good for you, okay? It's gonna keep those hands nice and clean. You know, you shake a hand. Just kidding. We're touching elbows. That's how you do it here. Sometimes people are a little more fan of these bad boys. You got the gloves. Gloves. You got a mask. You got the spray. Sanitizer. All these are great things. Because we buy cars. It's going to be in the sign right after this clip.
Call Byrider Madison 608-663-1213.